Okay, here is a quick one. I think it's pretty useful and some people don't know about it. I didn't know about it until probably about a month ago, and I keep meaning to do a tutorial on this, but we're going to make a thumbnail for our projects. You can see all my projects here that I goof around with and stuff like that, but this one here has a thumbnail, which makes it kind of easier to understand. So let's open this up and we're going to figure out how to make a thumbnail for this project. This is what the project looks like. It's very, very minimal. And I know what this looks like in my head. So I kind of think, well, what do I want to do for a thumbnail that would represent what this project is? You can do anything you want, but all you got to do is kind of pick a spot where you want it to be. And then if you're on Windows, you use the Windows Shift S key, and that will allow you to take a snip. And we're just going to grab something squarish. Doesn't have to be perfect. And when you do that, then you go ahead and click on it and it will open up a thing like this. Hit save. I'm just going to put it on my desktop, save it there, close it. And that's it for that part. Now you can use whatever you want. I'm going to use Photoshop to do my work. I'm just going to grab that image from my desktop and just drag it in. I've already got my Photoshop file set up in a square format, so 1:1. So I'm just going to size this up to fit in this space. Maybe something like that, move it around. And whatever program you use, I just recommend that you do a 1:1 square. Otherwise, it kind of shows up a little bit wonky. And then you take this and you go ahead and save it, export it as a PNG file. It's a 1:1. We'll change this to PNG and export. And I'm just going to put this on my desktop as well, just like that. So that's saved out. We can close up Photoshop. So now you want to open up the location where your project is. I don't know where you're saving your stuff, but mine's saved inside of Windows, Users, My Name, Documents, Fortnite Projects, Elevator Project, Plugin, and then Elevator Project. So the Fortnite Projects has all your projects in it, and then you're going to go to the project that you're doing right now, and then go into plugins and then go elevator project. And in here, we're going to copy and paste in our elevator thumb. Now this can be any name you want. It does not matter. It can live in here with another one. You can have a bunch in here that you may want to change it up sometime. Put this into our project. We're just going to select this, select all, copy, and then head back into the root of the project. And we're going to open up this elevator project.uefn project file with a text editor, Notepad. Then inside of Notepad, we can see that we have key art up here. And I'm just going to paste in my new thumbnail here and save that. And that's done. And then all you have to do is close down UEFN and restart it. Okay, so UEFN is starting up right now. We're going to see that my brand new thumbnail that I just took in here is going to show up right here for my elevator project. And that's pretty handy. I think that this is really useful to be able to figure out which project is which, especially when you're kind of like me and you just have my project O and Q and N that you sort of goof around in, and some of your other stuff is more of your real stuff. So that's it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.